Hello everyone, I'm back. I completely finished attaching the paper to the box. I used this gold stripe paper from this collection right here. It is called Nob Hill Market Street Nob Hill collection, and this is from my mind's eye. All right, this is one of their brand new collections, and I wanted something with a little more pizzazz for the outside, and there wasn't what I was looking for in the graphic 45 paper, so I decided to go outside of the graphic 45 paper and use this. Look at how beautiful it looks, and you're going to get some glare there, but how gorgeous does that look? Look at that. So for those of you who pick up my kit, I will include this paper. So I need a few more days because I need to order this now because excuse me, because of course I decided to use this beautiful paper, and you have to have it, guys. If you pick up my kit, you got to have it in there. It looks gorgeous. So yeah, so give me a little bit on that so I can add the paper. I think it looks gorgeous because of all the gold and the bling right here on this beautiful paper for the cover. I'm leaving the frame black. If you want to cover the frame in paper, by all means go right ahead, but I really love the way it looks with the dress and all that good stuff, so I'm going to leave it like that, guys. For the back, this is the paper I chose, and I cut everything just a quarter of an inch smaller. All right, just a teeny, all you want is an eighth of an inch around the perimeter and an eighth of an inch around the perimeter. Okay, for the top, I wrapped it all the way around, and I didn't wrap it on the bottom, but I recommend that you wrap it also, so you won't have that black bottom. So I like that. And don't ink this. I was a doofus and I inked it so you can see my part there, or my seam, but that's okay. I'll live. And then look at how beautiful your album comes out. And we're all done. We've got our storage box done. It's just really, everything just turned out gorgeous. I can't be happier with this project, and I know my niece is going to love it. So for the inside, I am going to go ahead and do all of my photo mats off camera because I work a lot faster when I'm off camera. But I'm going to do the same exact photo mats that you see here that I already shared with you. I just want to show you my pages. All right, so you can see the papers that I selected. Okay, 4x6 4x6 is in here, and I've already gave you measurements on these frames. All right, guys, so that's what that looks like, and I am going to add some paper here, but again, I work faster off camera, so I'm just going to get those things done. And look at how beautiful that looks. Just really, really gorgeous. So that's what I use there. Okay, look at that paper there. And here's this side. And there is the paper there. All right, just really gorgeous, these papers. My goodness. And over here, it says take chances. Beautiful. And here's this paper here. All right. And here's this one here. Beautiful. So I used all of the 4x6s, these cutouts on the front, just to take advantage of the beautiful images on there. And that's what I did for the back. And I have to remove this because I totally jacked that up there. All right, but it's just really gorgeous, guys. That's it. That's all we got. And I love it. I'm really pleased with it. So again, this is the paper bag album tutorial, the latest one that I did, and I link you all in the description so you can pick it up if you're interested. And I made the covers differently, so that's why the cover differently. So I wanted to share that with you all here as an alternative, and I made a storage box to keep it all in there. And it's just a perfect gift idea. My charm assembly will be dangling from the side, but just really beautiful, guys. I love the way that it turned out. Again, this paper is not from the Graphic 45 collection. This is from the My Mind's Eye Nob Hill collection, is this stripe paper, but it goes so well with it. I really, really love the way that it turned out. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys, and working on this project. I can't wait to see yours. Don't forget, guys, this is themeless. All right, you can make this project for any type of gift giving need that you have. All right, so I have another one coming up. It's going to be a birthday theme. And I will have kits for it. We're going to do a cake on the outside here. So that's going to be really cute. Maybe some cake and balloons. Who knows? But it's going to be adorable. All right, so I'll see you all very, 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 very soon. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And until next time.